Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So actually, that is the fact. We are traveling all over the universe. Not only that we have come to this planet, we have traveled many other planets. Otherwise, how Krishna says, Brahman, wandering, Sarva Bhutani, all living entities, either in the higher planetary system or this lower planetary system. And how he is traveling? Jantra Rurani. This jantra, this body, is given body. Now if I want to go to the Mul planet and other higher planets, yes, you get. But not this jantra, your so-called tiny Sputnik. No. You have to take the jantra, the car, the vehicle from Krishna. He'll give you. If you want, if you are serious, that if you want to go to the moon planet, then you pray to Krishna that give me a jantra or a machine, I can go to the moon planet. Then you can go. Otherwise you will unnecessarily spend money and try to go somewhere and bring some dust and you will say, now we are trapped. That's all. But if you want to go there seriously, then you have to prepare yourself in this life. Pray to the Supreme Lord who has created all this moon and sun and other and this planet, and He will make you befitting, qualified to go there. You cannot go to the sun planet. It is very, very hot, high temperature. Similarly, it is very, very cold in the moon planet. So how we can go with this body? This body means this machine. Then you have to accept another machine. That is the process. That is the process. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Janti deva brata deva pitrin janti pitri brataha bhute ja janti bhutani majjajino pi janti mam. Everything is clearly stated there. That if you want to go to the heavenly planets or higher planetary system, they are in front of you. You can see them, that the sun planet is there, but you are so unqualified, you cannot go there. But the thing is there. It is not fictitious. The temperature here, the Shastra description, Jat Chakshuri Savita Sakala Grahana. Savita means the sun. He is the eye of all the planets. Because without sun sign you cannot see. You are very much proud of your eyes. But as soon as there is no sun, then you are blind. Therefore, Jat Chakshuri Savita Sakala Grahana. Of all the planets, unless there is sunrise, you cannot see. And the sun planet is there in front of you. Every morning you are getting the sunshine. Why don't you go there? Go, you have got nice 747. That you cannot. Then you have to pray. Ishvara, Krishna is within your heart. And if you fervently pray, He is very kind. Therefore He gives you different types of vehicle. Brahman sarva bhutani jantra rurani maya. Brahman means making him wandering in every planet, in every species of life. Sarva bhutani, all species of life. There are different types of birds, different types of beasts, different types of human beings. This is called vichitra, varieties. God's creation is variety. So, if you want to go somewhere within this material world or beyond this material world. Beyond this material. Parastasmat bhava anya bhakta bhakta sanatana. Krishna giving you the information that there is another material nature, that is spiritual nature. Just like we have got this experience, although we could not go anywhere, but we see, or studying geography, that there are many, many hundred thousands and millions of planets. Similarly, there is another nature. There are also similarly the same, not only same, it is 3 times more than in this material world. This is only God's one part of creation. Ekangsena sthito jagat. Athava bahunaitina kinyatina tavarjuna vishtabha aham idam krishnam ekangsena sthito jagat. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.